Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have a recipe for you for a magical dough. Yes, you heard it right. A dough that stretches, pulls, and with pure keto ingredients. I've made empanadas with this dough, and I think I'm going to be putting this dough to many more uses. Let me show you what the empanadas came out like. There you go. The perfect empanadas. So we're standing in my kitchen. Let's get cooking. So let's begin with 120 grams of almond flour. In that goes. We add 3 teaspoons of xanthan gum, half a teaspoon of salt. I've used pink Himalayan salt. Give it a good mix. And now 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of full-fat Greek yogurt. Now we are adding hot water. Altogether, we are going to add 5 tablespoons of hot water and we are going to start kneading the dough. The xanthan gum actually works like gluten and it makes the dough lovely and stretchy so that when you roll it out, you can roll it out really, really thin. After kneading it for about 1.5 minutes or so, we are going to allow this dough to rest for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes should do the job. It's a magical dough. Now I'm making the filling. I've taken 2 or 3 sausage links and I have broken them up into a mixing bowl. Added 1 or 2 tablespoons of your favorite marinara sauce. Adding some herbs and spices. I've added some red chili flakes, some paprika, some oregano. Now let's roll out the dough. The king. Roll it out and I'm making it somehow into, you don't have to worry about the shape because we are going to cut rounds. Look how thin you can roll this out. Literally like you can see your hands through the rolled out dough. Now I've taken something round and I'm breaking up into rounds, and of course the extras I'm going to pull out and we're going to roll that out again, so you get quite a few of empanadas. Almost, so you can bring out 11 to 12 of them. Now I'm filling the dough with the mixture I made and I'm folding them over and I seal it with a fork. I'm brushing over some olive oil and it's ready to go into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees centigrade for 25 minutes. Look at them. The magic dough has worked its magic. Crusty on top and yummalicious. Thanks for watching and do subscribe. Bye.